welcome back to my channel. In today's video I decided to do something a little bit more fun. This is actually going to a first makeup challenge on my channel, so I decided to start it with no brush makeup channel. And in this video I won't use any brushes or any kind of beauty blender or any kind of sponge. And I'm feeling little bit nervous, also I'm so excited for doing this makeup look. So let's start. At first I am going to use this Nivea face moisturizer cream and I will apply it on my face, and I think it's the easiest part on this makeup tutorial because usually I use my hand for apply this product. After that I am going to use this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. It will remove my pores and it will give a softness and smoothness on my face. Just took a little bit and apply it with my fingers. On today's video I am not interested to use any foundation, so I decided to use this BB cream. It's from Flomar and the SPF is 25. I think it's easy to blend with your finger. I thought it will be so hard, but not so hard as I thought. I think I am done with this BB cream. Now I am going to apply this Allegra Pro Concealer, and this is a lighter shade. First I will take it on my hand. Here I am using my two hands for blending. Well, that was easiest part, I think. Now I am going to apply loose powder on my these areas and also this. Just applying it a little bit. I'm going to blend it with my fingers. It is so dry. As you can see, it's blended so well. I didn't hope that, but it's okay. I'm happy with this. Okay guys, my base makeup is done. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup, and here I'm using this Kylie eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade for my transition color. Here I'm using this finger for blending because I want a sharp look. I need more products. Then I'm going to use this darker shade on my eye corner and blending it as well. Take this shimmery shade and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. As you can see, the blending is so good. Oh my god. I didn't expect this, seriously. As you can see, my eyebrows are already deep, and so that I am not using more products here, I am just applying it smoothly. So my eye makeups are already done. I need to apply some mascara on it. Just cannot imagine that I need to apply it on my fingers. Let's try. First I apply it on my this finger. Now I'm going to apply it on my eye. It's getting dry, I need more products. Guys, I'm skipping this eyeliner part because I know I cannot do eyeliner with my fingers, and also it's so horrible for me. So I'm just skipping this part. Now I'm going to apply some bronzer on my face, these areas. I'm applying on my this finger and just applying it smoothly. I'm done. Now I'm going to apply this blusher, and I'm using two fingers here and just applying it on my cheeks. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter on my face bones. It's so easy applying highlighter with your hands. It's not so tough. Lastly, I am going to apply some lipstick, and it's also from Flomar, and I am just picking some products on my hands, then apply it on my lips. I'm done, and as you can see, it was super fast makeup tutorial, and if you're in rush, then you can use your hands instead of brushes, but it's not so hard, also not so easy, as you can see. Hope you guys like it, and if you do, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to give the thumbs up on this video. So bye for today. Allah Hafiz.